Pull out the battery paper and press the battery cap to start. Press Mode key to change mode to conductivity. Calibration. Dip the electrode in the 1413 buffer solution. Stir gently till the reading is stable. Press and hold the Cal key. The display will read 1413. Once calibrated, we can measure the conductivity of the sample. Dip the electrode in the sample and stir gently. Press Hold key to note down the reading. Please refer to the impact leaflet provided. Similarly for pH, press Mode key for pH mode. To calibrate, dip the electrode in pH 7 solution. Stir gently to stable reading. Press and hold Cal key. Once the meter starts flashing, the meter is calibrated to pH 7. Similarly, calibrate for pH 4 and pH 10 solution. To test the pH value, dip the electrode in the sample solution. Stir gently to stable reading. Press Hold key to note down the reading. Please refer to the impact leaflet for more details.